cute, I think. Cece's on the farm, hip hooray, meeting all the animals they want to play, jumping and laughing, so much fun. Cece's Animal Adventure's just begun. Cece sees the ducks quack, quack, quackling in line. They don't look back, they splash in ponds and flap their wings. Cece joins in and happily sings. Cece's on the farm, hip hooray. Cece's on the farm, hip hooray, meeting all the animals they want to play, jumping and laughing, so much fun. Cece's Animal Adventure's just begun. Oh look, there's a horse, neigh, 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 and sheep go by, they want to play. Cece's having the best time today, learning with animals in every way. Cece's on the farm, hip hooray, meeting all the animals they want to play, jumping and laughing, so much fun. Cece's Animal Adventure's almost done. Waving goodbye, time to say goodbye. Cece waves her hand, she'll come back soon to this fun farmland, with all her animal friends, big and small. Cece loves the farm most of all.
Thank you for 29 video. Please subscribe my channel.